FreeScout is a lightweight and powerful free and open source help desk system. In this video, I will show you how we can quickly spin up our FreeScout help desk. You can find all code for this tutorial on my GitHub page. Let's go. First, I've defined the version environment variable in our version script for the FreeScout Docker image at Docker Hub. Second, I've defined the internal and external port numbers of my Docker container. It's worth to note that the external port numbers in this file should never be a duplicate. Then, I've defined some environment variables in our secrets script. This file should never be uploaded to GitHub. It contains passwords and keys for all the applications we are going to need. Lastly, I have created a Docker and a Docker Compose file. These files will make use of our environment variables. This way, we are less likely to break Docker containers because we defined wrong port numbers, or maybe are using incompatible versions. FreeScout supports MySQL or a Postgres database. I'm using the Postgres database. The Postgres service will extend the Postgres image as defined in an already existing Docker Compose file. Then, I've defined the FreeScout service with the correct port references, version numbers, and the variables in the environment section already filled in. Here we can specify connection settings to connect FreeScout to our Postgres database. You can simply execute the recreate script to build the containers. But keep in mind that this script also deletes the mounted persistent volume folder on your local computer. As you can see, we have successfully created our FreeScout container. We can now navigate to the localhost on port 8088. Close your eyes. FreeScout doesn't come with a dark theme out of the box. You can purchase the dark mode module on their website for as little as $2. You only need to purchase a module once per FreeScout instance. They come with a lifetime license. From now on, we can set up our mailboxes and our users. Remember, this tutorial will not go into depth on how to use the application, but rather focuses on getting things installed. We will, however, have a look inside the modules menu, because FreeScout's revenue model comes in the form of a lot of separately sold modules. In order to have a basic help desk system, you should consider buying some of these modules. They range in price from $2 to around $15, and you only need to buy them once in your life. So for as little as about $100, you should be completely ready to go. This is, in my opinion, much cheaper than other commercial help desk platforms. Go check it out. Spiky out.